the top 3 features of the Zhiyun Smooth 5. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from SmartphoneFilmmakingPro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And you've probably seen it already, Zhiyun has announced their newest smartphone gimbal, the Smooth 5. And in case you want to see a full review and comparisons, I have them linked up there. But today I want to share my top 3 features that I like about the Smooth 5, and maybe you will also like them, so let's begin with the first one. And the first feature that I really like is the native integration with Filmic Pro. You know, Filmic Pro is an app that you probably have heard already, and this app enables you to shoot at the absolute highest and best possible quality that your phone has to offer. With the newest iPhones you can even shoot in ProRes, and overall also with any other phone you will get better results compared to you just using, you know, the stock camera app or their native app, that is the ZY Cami app. With Filmic Pro you just have a higher bitrate, you have more color information, and overall, like I said, you will just get better results. And you can use Filmic Pro with basically any gimbal, but the cool thing with the Smooth 5 is, like I said, that there is a native integration. That means you can use all the different buttons that the Zhiyun gimbal has. And yeah, well, this is a native integration, so it works seamlessly. The only other gimbals that also have this integration is its predecessor, the Smooth 4, and also the DJI OM3 or the Osmo Mobile 3, the OM4, and also the OM5. But I feel like, you know, Zhiyun nailed it, and it's, in my opinion, the best integration so far. My second favorite feature with the Smooth 5 is the wheel that you have on the side of the gimbal. You know, like a year ago when I was using the Smooth 4, I always said, like, you know, using something like this on a smartphone basically makes no sense because the sensor is just that tiny and, you know, pulling focus just does not make sense and so on. But, you know, I've tested it now and I've spent some time with it, and I have to say that this is actually a really cool feature. You know, don't expect some magic. It's still a small sensor and you won't be able, you know, to pull focus like you would on a cinema lens. But still, just having the option to pull focus, and also if you're just starting out with a blurry image, you know, with the focus being at the minimal distance, and then, you know, releasing the focus and bringing all the other aspects of your image into focus, it's just a really cool effect. And, you know, you basically cannot do this without a wheel like this. So I think it's really cool. And you could also be using this to zoom, I think, but, you know, phones have fixed lenses, and, you know, most phones these days have several lenses, but if you are zooming in, you're zooming in digitally, and then at some point they jump to the next lens. So I would not use it for zooming, but for pulling focus, it's a pretty cool feature. And the third feature that I want to talk about is the full 360-degree spin that this gimbal can perform. I've said it in the videos before, this is just a really cool feature because basically no other gimbal can do that. The DJI OM5, the OM4, and all the other DJI gimbals, they stop at 270 degrees, and at some point you run into a physical edge, you know, so you're bumping into this edge and then it's over. And this one just spins for absolutely ever, and you can create some really cool transitions, and, you know, it just opens up a lot more possibilities for us creators. But there you have it, guys. These are my top 3 features of the Smooth 5. Let me know what you like about it. Let me know what you also do not like about it. There are also a few things that I do not really love about it, but maybe I will make a video about this in the future. In case you want to learn how to film professional videos with your smartphone, you can check out Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. We have a totally free webinar for you guys where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. It's the first link below that like button. You can check it out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.